Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the mobile version in Weebly if you've been working on your site and accidentally switched to mobile view or simply prefer editing in desktop mode. This quick guide will show you exactly how to switch back. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Weebly homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects. Now take a look at the left side menu. You'll see several options listed there, and what you're looking for is the one labeled Website. Click on Website to expand your site management options. Right underneath it, you'll notice an option that says Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed to the next step. At this point, Weebly will display all the websites you've created under your account. Browse through the list and choose the specific website you want to edit. Once you've selected your site, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click on this button to open your website in the editor. Here's where the magic happens. If your website is currently displaying in mobile version, you'll need to switch it back to desktop view. Look up at the top menu bar on the right side, just next to the Help option. You'll see a desktop icon there. This icon is your key to toggling between mobile and desktop views. Simply click on the desktop icon, a small drop-down or menu will appear, and from there, click on Desktop again to confirm your selection. This action immediately switches your editing view from mobile back to desktop mode, allowing you to work on your site with the full desktop interface and all its features. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the mobile version in Weebly and returned to desktop editing mode. This ensures you have complete control over your site's layout and design using the full desktop editor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.